Hello students, today I am going to teach you a program in Java which you can see the question as follows. Design a class to overload a function polygon as follows. You can see we have here three methods. First one is void polygon where we have two parameters. Whatever we will write inside the bracket are parameter, I already told you. So here we have n int n and char ch. We have taken two variables n and character ch, and it is also explained here that one is integer argument and one is character argument. It is used to draw a filled square of side n using a character stored in ch. Second method we need to use is void polygon where we have two parameters, both are integer x and y. Third one is polygon with no parameter, so this one is empty method we need to use here. And the input are as given below. First one, the first method which we will be using, first one input value of n is 2 and ch is o, means the output will be like this. If the value of n is 2, we will proceed it with for loop. Then here you can see the number of o is 2, both row wise and column wise, because we have taken input value as 2. Second, input value of x is 2 and y is 5. So we are getting output as this, and we need to print at the rate. X is 2 means for row x is 2 and for column y is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third one we need to print asterisk. In third one we need to print asterisk, which you can see. In this program we need to do, what we need to do? First we need to declare the package import java.io.asterisk. Then class pattern overloading. Why we are using here? Because we are using three pattern, that's why pattern overloading. Public overloading of function 1, this is the first comment. Public static void polygon, first method we will be using here. We will take two parameters n and ch. We will print the message overloading of function 1, and then we will be using for loop to print. Why do we use for loop when we are doing pattern? To print this kind of series. For I equals to 1, I less than equals to n, I plus plus, j equals to 1, j less than equals to n, j plus plus. What is the value of n here? The value of n is 2. So here the value of n will be 2, means at start the value of I will be 1. Then 1 is less than equals to n. 1 is less than equals to 2, yes, 1 plus plus. So next time the value of 1 will be, I will be 2. So the loop will go till 2 only. And j equals to 1, j less than equals to n, j plus plus, here also loop will go till 2 only. What we have to print? We have to print ch. And what we have written inside ch? We have written the value of ch will be o. So when it will take all the value, we have given n equals to 2 and we are taking ch equals to 0. So it will be printing like this 0 0 0 0. OO means OO 4 times. Next we will be using another method, that void polygon int x int y. What we have to print? We have to print at the rate. We have to print at the rate symbol. So what we will be doing? We will, here you can see it is written overloading of function 2. We will be using another method int xy, two parameters we are taking x and y. We will be printing a message again, overloading of function 2. We will be using two for loop again, one for row and one for column. Here we have taken two parameter x and y, so we will be taking the value of x and y and I plus plus. And here the value, that time we have taken the value of n. दैट टाइम वी हैव टेकन द वैल्यू ऑफ n, हमने n का वैल्यू 2 लिया था, इसीलिए ये 2 टाइम्स प्रिंट हुआ था। बट यहाँ पे हमने x का वैल्यू 2 लिया, y का वैल्यू 5, तो y का वैल्यू 1 2 3 4 5, y का वैल्यू कॉलम है, x का वैल्यू रो है, तो x क्या हो रहा है 1 and 2। सो दिस टाइम I equals to 1, I less than equals to x, the value of x is 2, I plus plus, j equals to 1, j less than equals to y, y का वैल्यू है 5, तो ये 5 तक जाएगा और ये 2 तक जाएगा, और ये 2 तक जाएगा, तो ये 2 तक जाएगा, मीन्स ये x का वैल्यू है एट द रेट, ये ऐसे 5 टाइम्स प्रिंट हो जाएगा। ये y का वैल्यू, इधर y का वैल्यू, इधर x का वैल्यू, इधर x का वैल्यू, इधर y का वैल्यू। What it is printing at the rate and then blank. Again in the third method, overloading of function 3. This is called function overloading when we are using same function using different parameter. You can here get the definition of function overloading also. When we are using same function with different parameter in a single program, then it is called function overloading. We will be using polygon जिसमें कोई पैरामीटर नहीं था. We will be printing overloading of function 3. We will be using 2 for loops. The value of I is here because we need to print star here only. यहाँ पे बस output दिया that we need to print star. So I equals to 1, I less than equals to 3, I plus plus. 3 means star जो है 1 2 3 like this it is coming. So value of I is 3 and the value of j less than equals to I. j का वैल्यू कम होना चाहिए, मीन्स ये क्या हो रहा है, ये 3 है तो ये इधर डिक्रीज हो रहा है, मीन्स दिस इज j and this is I, this is j and this is I. We will be printing star and then blank. So I hope you will understand this program. This program is very simple pattern programming. Many students used to get stuck on it, but if you will practice this program peacefully, if you will write and practice many times, then I hope you will understand this program and you will understand so many programs which will be related to pattern. Thank you.